I'm Gifted, matrix ID A175204. Today I'm going to present to you our final project, which is an online shoe business website. Our initial goal was to create a website that solves people's problem that cannot find the right shoe at the right size. So now I will show you how our website solves this problem. Okay, first of all, we use big pictures to show the upcoming collections, and users just can click on it to find more about this collection. And the main page itself, we show all the new arrivals and its prices, and it's really easy to purchase or view details by just clicking one button here. Next up is discounted shoes, that is the old collections, and we just use discount to sell it fast. Then we listed down all the sizes in different varieties: Canada, US, UK, EU, and even in centimeter, so users can find the perfect size for them. We categorize all the shoes accordingly, so finding shoes can be really easy. We categorize according to the brand and its prices, and we even gave a search bar here, so users can find the shoes they like really fast, which was also our aim and objective, being user friendly. We used big font and big pictures, so it's clear like which shoe they are purchasing and which model they are purchasing. We show the lowest price possible among all the websites, so our customers can enjoy the cheapest shoe possible. We also gave an option to become our member, and this signing up process is really easy. Just fill up this form here, and we also give further discounts to our members and also free deliveries to certain areas.
Good morning, my name is Mahendra and my metric number is A162365. Today I'm going to present my final project, which is creating a website design. So from my part, I will be discussing few aspects about this website development. So there are two major aspects we have to take into consideration. First is software and second is framework. So what is this software? Software is a tool that we develop our codings, like you can see on the left, and it is executed to create our website. So in our case, we use Sublime Text as our software because we're pretty much convinced and comfortable with using this software. We're also doing our previous assignments using this software, so I don't see any other reason why we shouldn't be using this software. So second is framework. Framework is a major foundation to start any website. So we used Bootstrap in our website design, and we used the latest version of Bootstrap, which is Bootstrap 4. And why do we use Bootstrap in our website design? So basically, Bootstrap, it has many features like website layout, website templates, themes, and it also has build prototypes which make our work easier and be able to understand and pick the best idea for our website design. So more than that, it also has components of HTML and JavaScript included in it. So as you can see on the left, we also included the components of JavaScript and HTML in our web development. So the next is I'll be talking about the codings of JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So in this section, you can see that there is a command of script followed by a reference link to JavaScript template. So what is this JavaScript template and what does it actually do? So JavaScript is something that creates interactive design for a website, and it also produces dynamic functionality to our website design. So as we scroll down, you can see it here. Here is the codings for search box and then shopping cart, and right below here you can see the one-click instruction which belongs to JavaScript. And below here also you can see in this form ID we have this instruction for all these login forms, and then right below it you can see the on-click instruction, which also belongs to JavaScript. So how does this instruction reflected in our website? So as you can see on the right, this is our website. So at top we have a few tabs about a search box, shopping cart, and login form. And for search box, when the user wanted to find information about certain things in a quick way, they just have to key in the keywords into the search box, and then they will be proceeded to the finding page of the specific information. So there will be an interaction between website and the user during this search process. So they will be receiving a message about the content, what they are looking for, and then what kind of information they are looking for, and then they will be directed to the finding page. And secondly, there is a shopping cart. The shopping cart is basically our user, if they wanted to make any purchase, they wanted to click here, and then they will be receive a message of what kind of brands they wanted to choose, and what are the quantities of shoes they wanted to purchase, and every of these details will be received by the user, and then they will be proceed for the purchasing. And final thing is the login form. As you click here, we have username, password, and login. And if the user already has the login form, they can just key in their username, password, and straight away login. And if they don't have any account, a message will be popped up saying that you don't have any account. So in that case, they will be proceeded to the login form and then fill up the details and to create an account. So this kind of a functionality only available because we have these features of JavaScript in our website design. So second is I'm talking about the CSS. So at this page you can see we have this style sheet followed by the link to the CSS template, and we also know that this template we used from the built-in function in Bootstrap. So Bootstrap is basically it has popular for CSS framework, so it has all these certain additional features in it. So we straight away taken up the features of the CSS from Bootstrap and using it in our website design. So what does this CSS basically do? CSS is all about formatting and styling of our website design. It basically controls the appearance of the website, of our website, which attracts the user. So CSS basically controls the styling of the fonts, and then positioning of the images, and then as you can see, scroll down, there are plenty of details in our website, and everything is placed in an organized way, and it is thanks to CSS formatting, CSS style sheets. So it is up to us what kind of a style sheet we want to use in our website design. So as you can see, there are lots of shoes here, and at the top you can see this image popped up here, and it is also controlled by CSS by adjust at which position we wanted to position this image. So HTML. So now I want to talk about the HTML. So this whole coding space is about HTML because it controls and it has all the essential information that needed to include in our website design. So it in this HTML codings will be integrated with CSS and JavaScript components to enhance the functionality of our website. So this web page, it has different layers of pages, and each page is coded into HTML, and at this main coding space we just declare the external HTML codings into this main page. so that the main page take the information about the codings from other layer of pages into this. So as we scroll down, you can see the plots of information in this page, and all this information is about directly reflected and into this web page, is showing that the information about the shoes and everything. And you also can see down here we have these codings about the sizes and everything in a table form, and this is what we see at this position, the size guides. So this coding space is directly replicated into here in our website. So at down here you can see all the details about home, blog, pricing, and then the Gmails, contacts, and this also we write it in our main HTML page, which is present in here. So that's all from me. Thanks.